Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We're on April STL Part 7 for 2023. This video is basically about different types of miniatures for D&D and Wargaming and proxy for Warhammer. If there's a particular Patreon you guys want me to look at, please leave a comment down below as well on which one you guys like as well. If you guys haven't, please subscribe, like, and share, and check out our Patreon Discord as well. Well, for now, we are almost towards this hopefully part 7 will be done so that we get to part 8 overview on the last few ones for the last week of April. And let's get this show on the road. So we got my 3D Forge. This is basically for like World of Warcraft type minis that if you're interested in. Let's see, a model printed showcase from for their ghouls. I like these ghouls better for D&D. But I forgot which one are these. This is the freaking, what is that citadel called? A Scarlet Monastery. Oh man, that's basic World of Warcraft classic dungeons right there. I know they updated. I played a new one. That's fun, but try to get some. I haven't really played Dragonflight as much as I really want to because I don't really have the money to pay the monthly subscription for it. But either way, yeah. So we got some couple. I don't remember all the names for them, but Scarlet Monastery, all the way north of the underground or the underworld, I forget what it's called. But yeah, you can have your little Scarlet Monastery status as well. I wonder if they have that boss in the cathedral in here. I believe they do. I believe that's her. But yeah, looks pretty damn good. If you like to play, you like World of Warcraft, or do World of Warcraft style D&D, or use them as your D&D game, go for it. I do like the ghouls as well. One of the better looking ghouls. Okay, we've got Balzarzar, for April. I think it's the edition one. This does count NSFW, just letting you know as well. I want to see what the loyalty looks like. Looks like one of the ones for Age of Sigmar with that Toad Prophet. Yeah, with the girl. Yeah, but usually it's been a Sphinx. I thought it was a Sphinx. I forgot the name of it. Model for Feb and April. Okay. We got Son of Doom. So we have more Egyptian titles. We have Sphinx. Looks like some kind of priest. Pharaoh from Anubis. Warrior for Anubis. Looks like it. I don't know if there's a cat deities, but if there is, please let me know down in the comments down as well. Everything looks pretty damn good. So they got male and female this time. That's a good thing. But you know, more boobs the better, I would say. But the Great Grimoire, Horrors of the Underground. So we have the Skillful Prophet. It's like an undead or a demon with his throne. Laura the Treasure Hunter. That looks actually pretty nice. A model right there. You gotta do a standalone as well for it. That's a good thing. You have a chest. Never enough chests. Bruce Warrior. That looks pretty good. But like a grim dark style game, that would be great for it as well. There's a remainder of it. So we have a Star-Nosed Mole Rider for Underguard. And it looks like the character looks like a Gif Yankee riding on a naked mole. Treasure Hunter, Cage of the Dark. This monster, I forgot what they're called. It was a gluttony eyes. The one with multiple eyes, like a ooze. I have one of it, but this one looks a hell of a lot better looking as well with the tentacles coming out. Spawn of the Dark. You got your Bow Warriors. You got the Eyeless. So you can do a lot of stuff with them. There is, I think it's called Moloch or Morlock. that doesn't have any eyes due to the sensation being in the Underdark. You can try to replace some of them with this. King of the Eyeless. There's Throne, Hunter, the Mole Rider, and Bruce Warriors. I think this is pretty much it. Let me double check. And you get your bust as well. Chest, eyeless. Oh, that is for that. Spawn Net 3D. For April, we have our terrains. I think this is the giant battle of the continent. These are very high-end terrains. If you have an FDM printer, go for it. Or if a large printer like I do, you can print these as well. You may want to hollow it out because it eats a lot of resin if you're going to resin this sucker. A lot of this does come in one part, just letting you know. So you may have to do multiple parts for it. Puppet War Master, for also for Warhammer, what you call it, Warhammer proxies. Second wave plus May Treaser. I'm gonna do this one first. So we got some Hormagaunts. Yes, Hormagaunts. We got some samurai-looking boys for the orcs. We got the Judge Dredge-looking Space Marine. You probably have these in your kill teams if you really want to. So these are very good proxies for it. I got some proxy Nurgles on the side right now that I am trying to get done with. But these are just too much. I don't need to see all of them. Changing the heads. Hormagaunts. You can change the fifth types heads as well. I do want a Lictor. That looks pretty cool with the head changes with the guns. I don't know what you call them, Hormagaunts still, with the guns on the top, or they call Termagants. If you guys know the answer, please let me know down below. You got Ripper Swarms right there, too. Oh, they come with Ripper Swarms on this one. That's actually pretty good look. That's pretty good. I think that's pretty much it. This is just interchangeable guns, armors, and looks for it. Yeah, there's your Ripper Swarm. Yeah, I need to print some of those. But I'm going to change the base around. Because they brought them back for 10th edition. And here's your orcs. Orc boys. Looks pretty damn good. Heavies. I gotta look at the new... the index comes out. It's free to download for it. I think it's end of this week. And I gotta see what we can use for. And I believe the second wave is the previous release. Okay, so there's another orc that is going to be releasing for it. So that's pretty good as well. I am going to do orcs on October for Orktober. Just letting you guys know, I don't know if I'm going to buy the Combat Patrol of the orcs and work my way up by 3D printing a whole bunch, but we will see. Because resin is expensive. It's like $170 for 10 bottles. Even though that's not a lot, it is a lot for me to afford it. So Ruben for anime figures for it. Let's see. That's June reward. That is April release. So who is this? Morin Rubin. I never seen this character before. You do it as a cat bunny suit. Reward. This is from Figure Rise Standard. Never heard of it in my life. And I'm guessing that can't be just it. Aquarius, but we won't see Aqua. So one of them will be Aqua. Put pale on it for some reason. Making thin. Another terrain. These are actually very good terrains, I'll say. I like the Necromancer one that they made for it. So this is the Iron Fortress. I would love to print a lot of these. I'm also scared because a lot of resin. I need to paint a lot of my stuff first before I print more of D&D figures, due to the fact that I have a lot of unpainted minis due to the fact for this. But yeah, this looks really nice and good. And yeah, if you go like into the mountain or like the volcano areas, you see this fortress out. Has some blackguard orcs or other like evil or dwargar underneath the underground. This will be a very good terrain to have. Fortress castle and everything as well. But yeah, this looks really good. And you can make it as big as you freaking want. I'll tell you the truth. So we'll see how it is for it. And you can build the towers and everything. They'll come out and stuff. You just basically, if I was y'all, magnetize a lot of them. It sounds like a pain in the ass. It'll make a life a lot, hell of a lot easier if you just magnetize a lot of them. I do not like those clips that comes with it. Pain in the ass to put it in, pain in the ass to take it out. So yeah, this is actually really good. Well, I am gonna get this. But anyhow, thank you guys for watching for part 7. Subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. Check out our Patreon, Discord. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll go to the last one for Thursday. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.